When you're ready for your road test, you have a choice. Go to the RMV or test right here at the next street. With our license test at the next street service, the RMV examiner comes to us. You test in a calm, familiar environment in our car at our location with our certified instructor by the side as your license sponsor. We handle the paperwork, coordinate everything with the RMV, and make sure you know exactly what to expect before you step in the car. This option is ideal for students who want a lower stress testing environment and don't mind working around our available test dates. If you need a test as fast as possible, our test at the RMV service may be a better fit. We'll cover that in a separate video. Here's what you need to be eligible. Teen students under 18 must have completed all classroom and driving lesson requirements. That's 30 hours of classroom instruction, a 2-hour parent class, 12 hours of private driving lessons, and 6 hours of observation. Your driving education certificate must already be issued in the RMV's Atlas system before we can schedule your test. You must also have held your learner's permit for at least 6 months. Adult students 18 and older do not need a driver education certificate. All students must complete at least one 2-hour driving lesson with the next street before testing at our location. For scheduling, the RMV provides us with test dates approximately 1 week in advance. We generally offer 2 to 4 tests per month at our Worcester, Northampton, and West Springfield locations. Note, the RMV testing fees are not included. Those are paid directly to the RMV. The next street, the easiest road to your license.